Hi, my dear ones. Today I'm going to talk about how to multiply two binomials. Now, what is a binomial? A binomial is just a polynomial with two terms. So, for example, if you look at this one, you got an x. You got look at this is an example of a polynomial, and you got two terms, x and 4. So this is an example binomial. Likewise, this is x plus 5 is another binomial. So what we're going to talk about how to multiply two binomials. Now you may notice that you you may have learned FOIL, which is one way to multiply binomials. But another way I want to propose another way to solve this problem without having to do FOIL, and I will show you in this video. Now notice that I use different colors here. So I had, for this X I use red. Here I use blue. For this 4 I use blue. Here for this X I use green. And then here I use, for this 5 I use pink. And I do that because it will help you to see, it will help you a lot when you're first time trying to learn how to multiply binomials. So now that's one thing I want to remind you is that you might want to put different colors for each of the terms. Now that's aside. Notice now my question is how do you answer this question? Okay, the way I do it is notice that you're gonna draw a grid like this. We have, you got, you got two rows and you got two columns like this, where you have 4 cells in total. You see this grid right here? You got two row 1, row 2, and then column 1 and column 2. Now, this will help you to get the answer for this one. Okay, so let me show you how I do it. Okay, so here you see this red X here. I'm going to put it here. Okay, and this blue 4, I'm going to put it here. So the X and the 4. Now let's look at this one. I'm going to put my green X here, and I'm going to put my 5 here. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the two. So if you got X, so let's look at this one. What is X times X? Let's look at that. What is X times X? So if you got X times X, so let's get it. My red X multiplied by my pink X, my green X, sorry. What do you get? Well, the way you could think of this is you could write this, you could think of this red X as X to the power 1, and you can think of this green X as X to the power 1. Now you notice they have a common base, so you can add up the exponents. So what you're going to get here is you're going to get that this is going to be X to 1 plus 1, and that is going to be X to the power 2. So the first expression here is going to be X to the power 2. Now, what about the other expression? What is X times 5? Well, it's going to be 5X. Okay? And then what is 4 times X? Well, it's going to be 4X. And then 4 times 5 is going to be what? 20. So now we have what the values are. So you're just going to copy down. So you're going to go from, so you're going to write this as, you're going to go X squared right? And then you're going to write 5x, and then you're going to write 4x, and then you're going to write 20. Now, let's collect like terms. Well, the two like terms are 5x and 4x. So remember, just to start, like term means they have you combine the x squares together, you combine the x's together, you combine the numbers together. So in this case, well, let's look at x squared. There's no other term with the x squared, so x squared, so there's, you leave x squared by itself. But now look at this. We have 5x and we have 4x. So we have two terms that are the same. They have an x in it. So we can combine them together. So what I mean is you're going to get x squared, and you're going to get 5x plus 4x is going to give you 9x. And 20 is the only number, so there's no other number. So so we do nothing. So 20 is the only number, so we just write plus 20. Okay, and that's how you do it. So you don't need to use the fall method. You can use this method as well. That also works as well. Um, so I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video. If you feel, please write a comment please write a comment about how I can make this video better, what way I can explain the concept better. Please write in the comment. That way I like to get your feedback on how to become a better teacher, and your feedback would be greatly appreciated. I also like to yeah, if you feel this video will benefit your fellow, your friends, or maybe your parents, share that video with them. Um, yeah, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified for more of my videos. Uh, Hit the notification bell so that you're notified of more of my videos. And yeah, and also to help my channel out, please subscribe to my channel. It will really help a lot if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and may the math force be with you.